Hello, folks. Welcome back to the Trendsetters, the channel that brings you the trendiest insights in the world of trading. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and share the love with your fellow traders. Now, let's dive right into it. So, today we'll be setting our sights on Algorand, a promising player in the decentralized finance world. But before we get into that, as always, let's quickly set the stage with a broader look at the crypto market. Let's see what's going on and who's performing how in the market today. The markets are pretty slow. Of course, it's the weekend. I've been doing weekly videos for now. We'll see how that goes. So Bitcoin coming in at 29,000, pretty much staying the same. Well, I think it was around 28,900, 29,800, around there, but it's pretty similar. Ethereum at around $1,800. Tether BNB at $244, XRP at 0.6 cents, Dogecoin coming in at 0.07 cents, Cardano at 0.29 cents, Solana at $23, Tron coming in at 0.07, Polygon at 0.06 cents, Polkadot at $5, Litecoin 83, Shiba Inu. It's been doing really well just a while. Look at this chart. Absolutely taking off right now. So yeah, with that, let's take a look at the top gainers for the past day. Gala. Ooh, look at that. I actually didn't notice it. Gala up to 10% for the day. ApeCoin up 8%. Shout out to the ApeCoin holders. Shiba Inu. Let's go Shiba community. We're doing 12% for the set. I actually did not take a look at my portfolio, but that's really cool. Rack share up 5%. Stellar. So I'm kind of recovering from all the dump after all those pump, right? Hedera hash graph getting that weekend pump. Synthetics doing that same. Arweave, Sui, Mana, Pepe. Talk about Pepe. There are so many Cardano Pepe mints going on. Like for Cardano, you can get Pepe mints on Cardano. Those are very intriguing. So check those out if you're curious. Sandbox, Phantom, GMX. Alright, that's it for daily. Let's look at the weekly top gainers. XDC network. Really have to take a look at this guy. It's been kind of popping off, and I've been really getting into Twitter lately and been hearing about it too. Shiba Inu, of course, doing very well for the week. Bone, of course, Shiba and Bone going together. Optimism, that's kind of surprising given that they're having a token unlock. Excuse me. OKX, I think this one. Gala, 2%. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, as you can see, pretty slow, as 16% and 12% is the biggest pump, and then followed by some 3 and 4% pumps. This is just very sad. It's kind of like taking pictures for a bear market so that you can show it to people in the bear market on how bad it can get. All right, then. Let's see it. Take a look at the top losers for the this week. Compound slowing down after all its rally. Carved Dow, of course. You all know what happened. Big hack. Pepe. Aave, Litecoin. After starting its descent, after its halving, had a decent run. I don't know. Didn't really feel like it was the biggest hyped Litecoin run ever, but it was decent. XRP still cooling off after its 100% gains. Stellar, Quant, Theta. It's been a while since I heard about Theta. And unfortunately, doing the same as my favorite coin, Algorand. Dumping as always. Synthetic, Render, Chainlink, Solana, Bitcoin. Of course, it's just relaxing. Curious to look at Bitcoin Cash if it's getting ready for another pump or it's done. Tron, Cardano, Flow, Filecoin, Doge. Well, look at me going longer into the bear side of the market than the bullish. But I think we'll leave it there. And then today I felt like I wanted to share some more news from the crypto area. So we'll see how this segment goes. Been going for 6 minutes. I want to keep it to 16 minutes, making some shorter videos. So hopefully this is going to go well. Yeah, so next up, I've been looking into some crypto news lately. And by the way, guys, trendsetters, my Twitter handle, if you want to go and give me a follow, that would be cool. But either way, going back into it, the news. Looking into the news, I've been looking into a lot of the casino sort of applications coming up for crypto. Terra Casino, CoinGabber. These all look very rug pullish to me, but of course, do your own research. It's very intriguing how at least they're making some use case out of crypto. I don't mind that, but yeah, it's very tough. Very easy to lose money for sure, but so many options. If you guys want to try it out, there you are. These are some of the options that I've been seeing lately. And what we have got next. Oh, yeah. I was just scrolling through and I saw this. It was like, that looks like me when I started off, like making money, losing all the money afterwards and getting liquidated. Oh, that is so funny. But yeah, moving on to some other people doing some charting like me. Hopefully this kind of gets you guys a chance to get a little bit of a diverse view when you go through my videos, comparing my charting to others. Although I don't really do Bitcoin, but if I did. Anyways, looking at Bitcoin, everyone's thinking about that 28K. Person is also looking at the same 28K range. I feel like it will be 28K. Just the drop levels, if you check, you got the typical drop level 1, 2, then one more 3, then go bounce, make a higher low, then recover, and then we'll see if we can make a higher high from there. But yeah, that was a quick Bitcoin news. And yes, moving to this interesting news. I was just going through this and looking at, whoa. Yeah, I was waiting for a new Bitcoin all-time high, but well, in Turkey, Bitcoin just reached its all-time high due to the sky high inflation. The Turkish lira. Very intriguing, eh? So yeah, the Bitcoins are making higher high in other currencies where we are just busy with our own North American, well, especially me, with our Canadian dollars and the US dollars. But that was very intriguing. Wonder how much it is in lira. Is that looks around like $797,000. Sorry, lira. Jeez, it's a lot of numbers. Oh yeah, next. This was another cool little chart that I found. Shout out to Trades. Wow, really butchered that one. But yeah, I got really cool little info from him or her. I'm not sure about the genders. Got myself into a hole there. So this period's when to make money. It was a very intriguing chart. So we are in 2023. I didn't really look into why these numbers were picked or why it started the way it did, but I just looked at assuming, because silly me, assuming we were in 2023. That's how I started looking into it. But you guys can do your own analysis on this. But it's intriguing that 2023, I'm guessing B is years of good times, high prices are the times to sell stocks. So 2026, maybe the bull run ends, goes to 30, and then what? 2032 has a blow off top, I'm guessing, or years in which panics have occurred and will occur again. That is so intriguing, very interesting. I don't quite understand how that years in which panics have occurred and will occur again. Huh. Well, that's intriguing. And then C, which is 2023, right? Years of hard times, low prices, and a good time to buy stocks. Corner lots. Oh, corner lots like land, goods, and hold it till the boom reaches the years of good times, then unload. Now, guys, I don't know if this was something just constructed to make it look so that people like me shares and talks about it, but it's very intriguing. An eye catcher. And yeah. One more time, guys. Trendsetters, Trendy Crypto 01. If you guys want to give me a follow, there it is. Hoping to give you guys the best news, the best alpha. Hoping to get you more so that you guys can do well in this bear market and to reap the rewards when the bull market comes. So now, let's delve into the charts. So we'll be analyzing Algo USD on the daily time frame. This is, I have Kraken pulled up over here. The way that I'm planning on doing it is going through some long-term views, going some through the weekly chart, and then we will follow through with looking into some of the 16-hour, 12-hour, 8-hour charts, so that we can sort of build an idea or a thesis for how to trade the next week. That's something you guys are looking to do. And then for the degens, if that's what you want to call that, or the day traders, I'm going to do a quick 4-hour, 1-hour, maybe 2-hour charts just to see how you guys want to look into doing some quick trades for Algorand. So yeah, we'll start. We'll get started. First, we'll take a look at this little new discovery that I have found from Crypto Banter. I forgot the person's Twitter handle. Let me see if I can quickly find it. This is probably not a good idea. I did not plan doing it, but since I'm looking to do it, I'm hoping it's really cool. I'm pretty sure you guys know all about him. There she is. I think that's her. So yeah, if trade, travel, chill, follow. She helped me understand getting into this little strategy. So I'm just looking into it, and for now, I've charted this out on Algorand on the daily time frame, and trying to follow if that's something that happens. So for me, looking at, excuse me, didn't put this back, and so I'm just looking at the trap setup. I'm thinking over here we have the trap setup, M formation, the first drop level, and then we have the board meetings, and then drop level 2 over here, and I'm now expecting one more drop. And then look for a recovery up. Now I haven't really done a measured moves from here, but this is what I would be looking out for. So I do think that we're ending our second level of the drop, because if this is our first drop level and a second drop recovery, if this is our wave 1, wave 2, we could say this was the wave 3. We could make a wave up, wave 4, and then make a wave 5 down. Or you could say that this was our wave 4. Now we're on our way to making the wave 5 low. Then we'll start making the W formation here, and then do rise level 1, and go back to our neutral zone, and then take it from there. So, hey guys, if we can get back to 35 cents in Canadian dollars, and if we go to USD, anything around 28 cents, oh, that would be amazing. So yeah, I think that's what I'm looking out for in the very long-term plan. So now I've said that I would be doing short videos, but it's already 18 minutes, And yeah, that is not working out, is it? That's all right though. I'm here for you guys, and we keep doing the best we can and give you the best info and the insights in the world of crypto trading. Now let's get into the weekly charts. And here we have Algorand on the weekly chart, just doing a little bit of setup so that it's easier for me and just the way I like it. So here we are on the weekly. It's a very clear drop level setups for me. So we have the first level, recovery, second level, recovery. Now we are making a drop. There's so many bullish setups on bullish divergences on our size. I feel like Algorand, which is really cool. I think I'll be able to show you guys that a little bit later. But mostly I'm expecting one more drop from the highs of this candle right there, the lows of the candle over here. Expecting Algorand to get to 0.1 to 0.08 cents Canadian dollars, of course. And if we want to do it in the USD, we can do the same. Come back to this. Come down to around 0.07 cents to 0.06. Oof, that is some scary numbers, but it is what it is, guys. But I think that is very, very likely for Algorand. So I would keep an eye out on that. And I think I've gone into the time a little too long, so I will not get into any other of the daily time frames. But I'll look to show you guys the bullish divergences that I'm looking in the charts for in the stochastic RSI and the relative strength indicators. So one of the indicators that I like is over here. Let me quickly hide this guy and this guy so that I have a bit more space. So as we can see, and the price was higher, that indicator was lower. Right over here, the price is lower, but we're still making a higher high right now. I kind of like it, but is this looking to break down this? This is one bearish way to look at it. But this is kind of bullish. But we talked about how the overall look seems like. So how does this work? So I think what will happen is probably end up going up and then going down, which is the worst in my opinion. But that is what it looks like. Probably go kind of like this again, and then go slowly down. So something of that nature. I'm not fully sure, but that is what I'm expecting from my Algorand from the weekly chart. I'll quickly go down to the 16-hour chart, and then we will look into the 4-hour charts. So here we go. Let's go. So guys, welcome back to the 16-hour. As I had said, it's looking more so like how what I was going on the weekly, that it would look to push up for time being, and RSI is sort of agreeing with it, going up really fast. Wish it would go slow so we would have a chance to go make higher highs. I would like that better. But whatever, it is what it is. So it is looking to go up. We have made our local low. This could end up being like a right, right. No, yeah. Anyways, it could end up being like a triple bottom, which would be very interesting. I was thinking about a triangle, but I'm not really good with the patterns yet. As I said, I'm still learning. So pardon my misanalysis at times. Analysis? That was a very interesting word that I used. Pardon me. Okay, so we're looking to push up. And same over here. So at least I would target around 0.1 cent to, yeah, 0.1 cent is very nice. Get position to short. If you guys are looking to do that, I'm not. No financial advice, of course. Just learning. Telling you guys the worst financial advisor in the world if that's what you do. I'm just kidding. It's just we are in a very, very risky market where things are very, very tight. So less liquidity. Order books are so dry that look at this wick. How many people got liquidated on this? Nobody was predicting all the way. Let me see how far this wick went. Was this 10%, 20%, 10%? Oh wow. Okay, apparently I do not know where the price range is. 15. Yeah, 14% wick. That is crazy. Anyways, looking like the market is recovering, of course, doing the same thing. So basically, we're tightening down. Oh wow, beautiful stuff. Tightening. I really hate triangles. That's all that the market likes. And yeah, it's just so bearish. I don't know what else to say. But it's looking to break out. See if it goes here. Come back. Is feeling brave. Look to buy the test. Okay. 8 hours. Same story. We'll quickly head to the 4 hours and look to end this video. Sorry, I'm running very late. Doing it at 27 minutes already. But thanks for hanging along and riding along with me for this video. Let's go into the 4 hours. Hey guys. Thanks for coming back. And it was just a quick little break. But I like doing that. Gives you guys a quick little time to refresh your mind. But here on the 4 hours, we're looking at Algorand coming in to resistance. Yeah, so it looks like what I was talking about playing out on the 16 hours. The 14 hours, it has already, 4 hours, it has already played out. Kind of. Because it has already touched 1080. 0.1081 cents. So I would keep a very close eye. It's always the 4 hour and the 1 hour that takes you down and causes you to fakes you out the worst time. Look at this breakout. Boom, boom, boom. Fake out. And then we just start the downtrend. This is so silly and it's right there. Like, pick a trend that hits everything as best as you can. Boom. Right there. It's like magic. So it might just come down over here. So what might happen is since you're still looking to push up on the higher levels, what might happen is we might stay here longer, take our time, come back to here, and then take our time to come back up here again. Maybe make a slight higher high to fool them again, fool us again, fool me again, and then go down again, right? So that's what I'm expecting for Algorand. next week. So, and of course, we looked at the higher time frame, thought process, theses. Wow. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in into Trendsetters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a beat in the crypto world. I'll see you next time. Stay trendy.